Markets are on tenterhooks this trading week as we wait for new word from Governor Ben Bernanke on the dreaded T word, tapering. On the phone with me now for a midweek US dollar-themed Targets In Focus interview is Bo Jakobsen of Nordea Markets. Johnny, the euro-US dollar has dipped this week as investors wait on the Fed decision taking place today. In your view, what can we expect from this decision and the press conference, and what is market response likely to be?
Well, on the back of today's stronger than expected GDP growth in Q2, I expect the Fed to indicate to change its statement tonight, suggesting that a tapering of its asset purchases will begin later this year. I see only an outside chance that the Fed will explicitly hint at tapering to start already in September. Even though I expect tapering to start at that point. Overall, I believe that we will see only minor market reactions to the FOMC statement today. In my view, markets have already repriced the outlook for Fed policy, and the tapering is more or less priced in markets. So overall, I expect no major market reactions after the FOMC statement tonight.
The US dollar Japanese yen has been a mixed bag this week as investors seek safety in the US currency. Can we expect global uncertainty to keep traders parked in the dollar in the coming months?
Oh, well, I expect the dollar to outperform most major currencies in coming months. Not so much because of risk aversion, but rather the opposite, because the U.S. economy is likely to gain even more speed, the recovery to gain even more traction. This should support the demand for dollar assets, and as a consequence, I believe that we will see the dollar strengthening against most major currencies.
And lastly, the pound sterling has slipped against the US dollar in cautious trading this week. Much dollar debate is also surrounding who US President Obama will select to succeed outgoing Fed Governor Ben Bernanke. Who do you think would be the cable traders' favorite candidate?
According to various media, there seems to be Obama seems to have a favorite to replace Bernanke at this point, and that is Larry Summers, former Treasury Secretary, and because of Summers recently has made some dismissive remarks about the effectiveness of quantitative easing, I believe that Summers replacing Bernanke would likely be more dollar positive compared to a scenario where Janet Yellen replaces Bernanke.
Johnny, thank you very much. Durham McDermott will be back tomorrow with all of the market response from today's meeting, but from me, it's goodbye for now.